Restuff your cushions, a comprehensive guide. Introduction. Welcome to our guide on restuffing your cushions. Whether you're looking to refresh the appearance of your living room or increase the comfort of your favorite armchair, restuffing your cushions can breathe new life into your furniture. In this article, we'll cover everything you need to know about the restuffing process, from assessing your cushions to selecting the right materials and techniques for optimal results. Assessing your cushions. Before diving into the restuffing process, it's essential to assess the condition of your cushions. Over time, cushions can lose their shape and support, resulting in sagging or discomfort. Start by examining each cushion for signs of wear and tear, such as flattened areas or lumps. Choosing the right materials. When restuffing your cushions, quality materials are key to achieving long-lasting results. Consider factors such as the density and resilience of the foam or batting to ensure optimal support and comfort. High-density foam is ideal for cushions that receive heavy use, while softer foam or batting may be suitable for decorative pillows. Removing old stuffing. To begin the restuffing process, carefully remove the old stuffing from your cushions. Depending on the construction of your cushions, you may need to unzip a cover or make a small incision to access the inner filling. Take care to remove all old stuffing thoroughly, paying attention to any areas of damage or uneven wear. Restuffing techniques. There are several techniques for restuffing cushions, depending on the type of filling and construction. For cushions with foam inserts, carefully insert new foam pieces, ensuring a snug fit without overstuffing. If your cushions use batting or fiber fill, fluff the material before stuffing to prevent clumping and uneven distribution. Maintaining proper support. Proper support is essential for the longevity of your cushions and overall comfort. When restuffing, pay attention to areas that receive the most pressure, such as seat cushions or armrests. Distribute the stuffing evenly to prevent lumps or sagging, and consider adding additional support, such as foam inserts or reinforcing stitching, for extra durability. Reassembling your cushions. Once you've restuffed your cushions to your satisfaction, it's time to reassemble them. Carefully zip or close any openings, ensuring a secure fit that prevents shifting or bulging. Take a moment to fluff and reshape your cushions, restoring their original appearance and comfort. Final thoughts. Restuffing your cushions is a simple yet effective way to revive your furniture and enhance your living space. By following the steps outlined in this guide and using high-quality materials, you can enjoy comfortable and stylish cushions for years to come.